I think he's been traveling a lot.
Ah, I feel you. Okay. Well, welcome back.
Yeah, he's got a lot going on. How's my dog, Nick? My pretty golden. You know which one I'm talking about. Like 3 times I walked in his house and I was like, what? What? Even his wife was like, is that Grace? It's like, who's this? I was like, it's your dog. They do look alike. They look almost identical. Yours, I think Grace is just a little bit bigger. That's it. All right, let's get these. Let's get these other junker dunker doos. You guys got the morning prep done? Looks like stretches in here, so I would say yeah. Move these other yahoos over here. I'm gonna start moving you guys to member hangout just so you guys are forced to do it.
Are they over? Are they done?
No, I mean, I'm just gonna move everybody to member hangout when we end our part here. That way they're just forced to do it.
Oh, move them to member hangout.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's why
I'm gonna
I
do it.
just said I
I'm just gonna
to
force
do it
the. I'm gonna
here.
force the action upon them.
Force the
Force the
action
habit. I'm gonna
upon him, he
force the
says.
habit. That's a good idea, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just force the habit into them. Look, if I were a young budding trader that wanted to get things going, and I'd be spending every minute I could talking to other traders that are following the same thought process. I mean, that is one of the keys to me being successful as a trader is I did that.
That would make sense.
Did you listen to all the ones I did yesterday?
I did.
You did?
And they all popped up on my feed
All
last night. Every
six?
one of them. Every one of them. I think I liked them all too.
No, he only
That's
did
fun.
three. Out on that. Out on that. I have six.
Well, then I guess the other ones were the old ones then.
Yeah, I have six recorded. Well, there's three more that's still gonna go out of the six I did yesterday. It would have been fancy if I would have been looking at RTY at some point, somehow, some way. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like on a daily. Inside, inside days. Who wants to play ball on an inside day today? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Let's do a little varsity. Maybe I'll catch the varsity on the way out of town. I know it's disgusting,
That'd
but
be nice.
might as
I
well
haven't had that forever.
do a little. Yeah, do a little. Yeah, those are key. Member hangouts show how others do it. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Yeah, stretch. I mean, that's a big deal. I was actually going to talk about doing some GC levels this morning because I've got some I've got some updates I need to do here. But levels are absolutely key. If you can master being patient enough to only trade the levels you like, um, your odds of success go through the roof. We got some CL levels here we got to do. There's
Levels are
one in
big.
here I was looking
It's
at.
basically what I trade off with levels.
Yeah, I mean levels, 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 levels. I mean, how many times are we talking about? How many times do you hear us talking about levels? Every single trade. Pretty
Pretty
much every single
much.
trade, right?
Pretty much. Start to
What is
stream.
this? Yeah.
Yeah.
I know there's a level in here. Speaking of levels, something keeps drawing me to this area right here on the CL. This really looks like it should be. It's a little bit close to my other one. I do like this though, because it just peeks down into here. Oh, that wick does wick into there, doesn't it? There's my level. And now I know that CL's getting overbought, coming up to a level. Oh, never mind. It's already done it. It's already turned around. Look at that. Levels work. And then I had one up here somewhere I was going to look at in this area on the NQ. Now that we've got plenty of price action right here. A key. Here, a key. Although, hmm, it's just nothing strong in the middle of this area. I don't like it. I just don't like it. Down here. And I got rid of all my levels, doing new levels again, like a grown ass person. I think when we switched to the big tick charts, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start doing all new levels. Didn't I? Was that was about when I did it, right?
I didn't you lose them? You
Took.
switched computers or something. You lost them and said, "Well, I got to start over anyway, so I'm gonna do them over," or
Yeah. I
something like
still
that.
had. Oh yeah, that's right. I still had my old levels, but I
I still
didn't.
have the old level. Well, at least wherever we left off, I have that in another workspace.
I have them. I just decided. Yeah, that's what it was. They didn't come over somehow or
It's
something.
good to go and do them back every. Good to do them
Keeps it
every
fresh in
now and
mind. I
then.
can't find anything really nice here. I'm gonna wait until I get more price action down there. The bigger tick chart until I do a level there. Levels, levels, levels. Levels are key to your success.
Does look like we have
Obviously, my
internet.
levels on the ES are perfect, so I don't have to touch those. Obviously, my levels are perfect on the ES. No, not obvious.
But they're pretty darn good on all of them. But
Mine,
yes,
my levels.
yeah,
I know my levels are
yes.
spot on the ES. I'm a little NQ gets me sometimes. Um, CL and GC are just hard because they don't always respect the level as well as the indices do. 6C, it's a machine. It's just a robot. Um, but the levels on 6E are just you just gotta trust them. Like here, that's a great level.
See
Level,
what
level,
Tom.
level, 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 level. Huh?
Tom had a message. He wants to explain about what VWAP means. He wanted me to explain what VWAP or
It's the
how I
mean.
use VWAP.
All right. So
The
reversion.
mean, exactly what it is. Yeah,
It's the mean.
it's
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 so
the
so.
average.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. No, it's just the average price where an asset has traded during that period, right? So it's the weighted by volume. In other words, where the most volume has. So it's the average. It's a mean, exactly what Brian says. And then the only thing it's where price just the way you use it is price tends to gravitate around the center, right? The mean. So if it's away from VWAP, you can almost say that price will always revert back to the average. So it always comes back to VWAP.
Reversion to the
You
mean.
know, and yeah, and people yeah, reversion to the mean. People will trade it. I know people say above VWAP long, below VWAP short,
There's a
and for the
lot of
most part,
methodologies that say that that's their bias.
yeah, and
Yeah.
and that for the most part will work. I look at it like the further away we are from VWAP, the more likelihood that we're going to get a reverse back. So
Yes.
when we're looking at the big tick chart and we're looking at we're looking at, okay, is it going to bounce up here, or it's going long, and like where's the reverse, like in yesterday we were talking about. I know, remember I was saying yesterday this thing's going to bounce. We're in an area here where this is going to bounce. Well, first of all, we had a lot of separation from VWAP,
Mm-hmm.
and if you look at what it did prior, like if you look left, like we always say, you're going to see that it always bounces away, bounces back to VWAP. So that's how you can kind of gauge
Well,
where
well,
how overextended the market is. There we
well,
go.
let's
That's
just
the
make
word I
this a
was
little
looking
lesson
for.
right now. Then, if you add two things together, Tom, keep this really simple: levels and VWAP. If it
Yeah,
doesn't bounce and go back to VWAP from your current level and it breaks through it, guess what the odds are? The odds go up dramatically that the next level it will bounce and turn and go back toward VWAP.
bingo,
That's
bingo. Could have
simple.
been better said. That's the easiest way to look at it. The easiest way to look at it. And it does work. I mean, it's
It works because
because
it's
it's an
it's
average. There's
right,
no
and
it's
everybody
it's
uses it.
and every yeah, it's the average traded price of based off volume. So it is where the market is going to want to congregate. So it's
Oh
about
yeah,
the
it'll
only
congregate.
indicator. I don't even know. It's probably wouldn't even be a lagging indicator, is it? I guess it's yeah. I guess it is still a lagging indicator, but not much.
Anything that's based on a mathematical formula is a lagging indicator
Yeah,
anyway.
because it's got to calculate. But I can guarantee you, like now, look at NQ. You know, it's extended up. So at some point in time, it's going to want to come back to
Well,
VWAP.
I
Now, is it
mean,
going to
hold on
come
a
straight
second.
back?
Here,
No.
let's just use it right now. Use the current situation. It'll move away from VWAP. It achieved a level,
Level and a
and
perfect entry right there.
then
And
it
look,
turns
that's
back
a nice
around.
short. And
Yeah,
where would
yeah,
our
you
price,
actually have a
where
really
we
good.
expect it to come back
That's a
down
good
to?
trade.
VWAP.
That's a trade. That's a trade I'd probably look at too.
Yeah. And you could take that back down to VWAP if you want a long-term goal, right? At some point, it'll work its way back to that VWAP, or VWAP will work its way up to it. It's just another confluence
Now,
that I
so
use. That's it.
here's the funny thing is I've never I've never used VWAP because I've always been able to just know where it's at because I use tick charts and I can do math in my head.
Now he's
And
showing off.
I have a nice showing off.
Mhm. Oh, you know what? I gotta.
I
What
can do the
time is it?
math thing in my head. I can math.
I got time.
What? You're not trading anyway. You're just here for colored commentary.
Yeah, but I want to be here at the open. I
Oh,
want to go grab my coffee.
oh,
I'm gonna go
colored
get my
commentary.
color commentary. I'll be
Colored
right back.
commentary.
Gonna grab a cup of coffee.
Little math thing. Silly mathers. Those math people might as well be flat earthers. Oh, my elbow. What time is it? Let's check on my newsletter this morning. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if we have anybody watching this. Mm. Nah, nah, nah. All right. What's the day? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, October. Um. Mm, 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 mm.
Okay, I got coffee. I'm happy now.
Um. Did you were
Showing
you able
off.
to get anything else done on that figuring out the DNS
Oh,
thing?
I didn't get. it done. But in all fairness, I didn't get back till late, so I'm
Okay.
gonna give it another shot
Oh
today.
yeah, wing night.
Yeah, it was wing night last night.
Oh man, I smoked some wings this past weekend.
Oop. So you have a smoker there?
Yeah, yeah, in Georgia.
Yeah, I guess you would there. That makes sense.
I bought it for my parents. It's a big, nice one, electric,
Nice.
pellet fed.
I want a green egg.
This is the way I look at it. If I'm gonna spend some time with my elderly parents in Georgia, and I'm gonna have my little cabin out here, I'm gonna have all the amenities I want.
Yeah, you might as well, right? Live right.
Yeah. So I pretty much just buy them what I want when I'm here. Um, God, man, this is I'm considering looking at this long here on the ES. Sure looks like it's setting up right, but it's gonna dip a little bit lower. No, that candle's getting heavy. We got a few minutes until the open, so airspace closure over El Paso. Ooh,
Uh,
James Vanderbeek.
yeah,
Death
he
of
died.
James Vanderbeek.
Dawson Creek.
Old Dawson Creek guy. Oh yeah, he had like pancreatic cancer or something like that.
Oh, did he have pancreatic? Oh,
So
that's a
I thought
bad
he had
one.
cancer. Maybe it's another actor. I don't know. Who's the one that started selling his assets, memorabilia and stuff, to to pay for cancer? And I'm like, what? You got to do that as an actor these days?
So I don't know. I don't know who that was.
It is looking a little heavy. I think it might have been James Van Vanderbeek. I don't know. I have to look back.
Well, he probably didn't. I mean, he had money, but he probably didn't have like a ton of money. He wasn't that. He wasn't like an A-lister or anything.
I mean, he did have a bunch of seasons on Dawson's Creek.
He did, and he probably had some residual checks coming
I was
in.
gonna
So,
say, and he's been in a bunch of other
oh,
stuff. Semi quince quincentennial, semi quincentennial. I have to get used to saying that. Semi quincentennial. Make a 250 year. It's about the time.
250 years.
I don't know what's the long. I mean, like, I don't think this country's gonna make it as much as long as the Roman Empire, but 250. Still a baby country.
Just getting started. Barely old enough to drink.
Mexican cartel drone incursion. Oh my god. All flight. You can't even get in El Paso. Wow.
So,
Wow. That's pretty interesting.
oh,
All
here
right.
we go.
Let's get ready for bed.
Showtime. Showtime.
I'll finish you guys'
Showtime, he says.
Dawson's Creek stuff. Finish the newsletter later.
Filled. Stop filled. The
Whoa.
hell?
Whoa. Whoa. Where's the stop field at?
What was that?
What was that?
I don't have anything open.
I don't either. Nobody has mic access in here. I think we keep morning prep in member hangout just to get people used to it, Paul.
That's fine.
Where the hell did that noise come from? Oh,
No,
that is scary to hear, isn't it?
I don't like hearing it. Well, I mean, I don't know. I
I
got.
don't have any negative on my.
I actually have internet, so I'm okay. I'm
I don't
not.
have anything running. I'm positive on my accounts, and I don't have any like change in values. So That was weird. Well, we're open for business. Let's do. We're open for business. Business. Inside day, people. Inside day. You know what that means. Buckle down, pucker up, and get ready for some slop and chop. Oh, sloppy pickle. Let's go.
Sloppy pickle.
Although there is a GC long, not going to take that.
Not
RTY
gonna do
might
it.
actually be setting up for a decent long here. You know, I think I'm gonna like take a minute this morning, and I don't like this price being in the middle here on the ES, which usually when the ES doesn't play ball, I don't want to play ball with the NQ. Um, this is really setting up to be maybe something I might like on RTY here. I'd probably look at a buy stop somewhere around there if it really wants to push through. Um, field. Oh gosh, and targets off. Holy crap, that took me so fast.
What are you doing? Oh,
RTY. I just jumped right in it right when I saw that that was setting up right, and I'm not on the same account. Let me double check my accounts here. Targets off on RTY. Sorry, that was really fast, guys. 25. Let me get this on the right account before. Never mind, I'm flat. All right, let me switch this to his Ninja account. That was $75, so it's not. It's gonna keep going up. I mean, that's that's a long all day on the RTY. And along on the NQ and ES. I just couldn't find a way to make those happen. And I said along on the GC, but just those were just a little too much for me. Little too much. Change this out of this account because I'm not touching that right now. And away we go. Away we go. All right, I should just done it on the big tick chart. Like I
big
said, I know there's a
start.
buy all day long on RTY. I just got to figure out a way to stay in it. I did it again. Targets off. We'll put this on the actual account I'm on now. If I can stay in the trade this time. Oh, which one are you on? There we go. Target moved. Targets off. This thing's gonna blow out of here, and I gotta. Targets off again. RTY. Thank you, RTY, for my morning.
There's a
That's
nice
gonna
little
pick up my
trade there.
stop. Well, if it busts through this level, if it doesn't get my stop here, this has got legs to move. I'm trying not to be aggressive on stops today, targets today. I'm trying to be like realistic targets. Do some smart trading. This is actually all right. Let's see what a novel concept. I'm gonna use my level as a target. Hmm. 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 And I have another level up here. I mean, there's a level like probably just a tick or two up here. Like right there. There's a good target. Let's see if it gets it. There you go. And that's right out of the gate here. Let's see here. This is my trade log. Today's date is 2/12. Almost VD. What?
Yep,
What do you have?
almost,
What'd you say you have?
almost.
No, 24. RTY long. junk in the trunk on the ES and NQ. I'm going to stay away from that shiitake
Yeah, it's pretty
mushrooms.
pretty garbagey. It's pretty garbagey right now.
That's official trading term, people. Garbagey.
It's garbagey.
Garbagey. So I shall look around to the other assets. Oh. Oh. Oh well. There's a little bit of money. A little bit of till in a pickle. Till in the money in the till. There you go. Something like that. Alright. Don't touch that one. Oh man. So I'm up like $800 on that one account.
Oh,
And
that might
it's
be
and it's
switch
like
time.
it's like oh well.
We got CPI tomorrow on a Friday.
On Friday?
That'll be nice. I think I'm missing. They're changing
Friday?
up all these dates, aren't they?
I didn't think so, but guess we're doing news again tomorrow morning.
This NQ is just nothing.
Oh no, I'm not touching NQ and ES till they swing out of this stuff.
They're
Look at that.
nothing, I tell
See,
you.
a sell from the levels are key, people. I might even have this level off a little bit on RTY. I should probably be a little bit lower, maybe. No, that's my level's pretty good. It's pretty darn close to the level though. I will take another look at a long if it gets oversold again. I need to. Oh, GC small tick chart set up on GC for a nice little short, but I'm not trading the small tick chart today. Not on the inside day. I don't want to get any false signals. It's like my last girlfriend gave me false hope.
Or you.
What?
They poor you there. She gave you false hope, huh?
Oh.
Nothing.
Keep keep forgetting to replace a battery in my toothbrush, and I keep having to do it the old-fashioned way and use my
Oh God, you
actual
actually
brush
have
my
to.
teeth.
Are you serious?
I know it's
Who
silly.
who does that anymore? Who does that anymore?
It should just be a thing you stick in
I
your
mean,
mouth and it does all this stuff for you.
I
I
do.
think
I
they
got my
have
little.
that, don't they? Like
I got a little Sonic Wave, man. That thing's the bomb.
that. I don't like those.
I do. I love
I
those.
feel like they vibrate my teeth.
Well, but it feels clean though.
Ugh. I use peroxide toothpaste, so I know it's
I do
clean.
too. I don't use fluoride toothpaste either.
Peroxide toothpaste, peroxide and baking soda. That's it. That's all you need.
Charcoal's good too.
Yeah,
Mother.
I go back and forth between the two. Charcoal. Sometimes I'm feeling really fancy. I mix my peroxide, baking soda, and charcoal together. Just because that charcoal comes with a little mint flavor in it.
Yeah.
The Amazon. I bet you get the same one I get. The little black tube.
I'm. Yep.
The little black squeezable tube.
I get it. I get it on Amazon.
That's the
Yep.
exact one I get from Amazon too. See? Now you guys know what kind of toothpaste we use.
That's
Amazon,
right.
that charcoal toothpaste needs to start giving us royalties because we're plugging it on our channel. We need to get some affiliate kickbacks, charcoal toothpaste. I'm BSing because I don't see. I'm looking around these charts here.
I don't say anything.
I don't see any asset that I want to do.
It'll make you a better trader.
what I am going to tell you is
That's the secret. It's charcoal toothpaste. You didn't know that, did you? Cat's out of the bag. Well, darn.
really it's enamel. Dan. Prostrated
I think I got.
stretch. You guys,
I think my
I
internet's
just looked back
back.
at all this. Kevin, you guys, I love it. You guys are participating today. That's great. Hey, Stan, ask
Charcoal
questions about trading
toothpaste.
while
The
we're not
rose.
trading.
Okay.
Stan, ask some trading questions, buddy. Come on. By the way,
Are
your
you?
dad's a good guy. I remember him. I like him a lot. Thank you for letting me know. But Sin, ask questions. Come on, dude. If you're here, ask questions. Now's the time to do it. Don't do it when I'm in the middle of a trade. Ask questions, buddy. Guys, help Stan ask some questions. Hopefully he participated in the member meetup, right? He's getting started. He's a newbie. Please help him. Um, I'm sure somebody would chat with you. Did ask. Um, well, maybe here's a good spot. We do, what we can do. I do have a one-time coaching session. It's $99, Stan. I can put you on my calendar for that if you want to do
That
that.
would
You want
be
to do
a
that?
pretty valuable hour. Trust me.
Hour and a half. Since I know your dad, I'll give you an hour and a half, and we'll go through everything. If you want to do it, I mean,
This
or you
is
can chat or
un.
go to the member hangout and chat with the members. I mean, it's free. It's part of the service in the member hangout. I would do that. But if you want me, pay, go to the you know services channel. Okay. Um, we the other thing we have, Stan, is a one-time $50 where Gray will go through all that with you and get you set up on your charts and everything. That might actually be um a better route for you. It's $50 one time, never have to pay it again, and you get all your charts set up and all that stuff. That actually might be a better route for you. Gray will help you with it. But if I were you, I would take advantage of the member hangout and get them to help you out in there, and that's free.
Ask questions. That's people.
Well,
People
he's
will
he's
answer it.
brand
We got.
new.
We got a
He
good.
doesn't know
We
what
got
to
a good
ask.
group of people.
He's
Oh,
brand
okay.
new. He doesn't know what to ask.
I got you. Well, then just kind of watch. You'll pick up on it over time.
His
Just
dad was a good trader though. Oh man. All right, here we go. Now we're getting some
all
profit
right. Here's our
action.
breakout.
Yeah. Well, again, if either do the member hangout and
What
get
the
help get
hell?
those guys and gals in there to help you out, or pay the $50 and Gray will give you a white glove service and make sure you're all polished off.
Wow.
All right. Here's my long coming up here. I like this as a long. Do we do it? Oh shoot. I'm gonna do it. I like that as long. It's a. No. Hold on. Sorry. Let the big two chart
I was
do
gonna
this
say you might
for
want to
me.
wait. This looks like it. Looks
Let
like
me
this
do
thing wants to
this.
break
That's
down.
heavy. Sorry about that. That's a
Mm-hmm.
dumb thing. That was $150, $175 mistake on my part. Don't go in the market. That's why I don't go in the market, Brian. Let me turn these guys on so I can put my stop orders in. That's why I don't go in the market. The fake out there. That all right. So
Oh
this is
yeah,
this is
look at
why we
this.
wait for this candle to finish. That was actually a short. Okay, let me look back here. Are we out of that range? Oh man. Okay. So this is in a territory where we start thinking, really thinking that I would probably now the big tick chart called the short here. So this was technically I got a little ante in my pantsy. That's fine. I'll get 160 bucks back in one trade. But um, so the big tick chart should have been your buy should have been above this. You can't take a V buy. That's a hard long to take. But we probably should start thinking short here. Um, that was dumb on my part. Really dumb on my part. I make mistakes. Should have flipped that around and got the sell on though, right? Failed
Yeah, you got
long
your
means take a sell
buy.
signal. That's all there is to it. So you get consolidation here. Never got the buy signal. It pushes below this consolidation. That's a sell signal. So this thing's gonna go down.
Let me get
I
my
will look
bearings
at
here.
this on the NQ as a breakout below this pit. Ooh, that's actually not a bad thought process. I don't think, right?
I'm turning my charts on because it's hard for me to follow. Yeah. So you're
Yeah,
looking
so
at
this
what,
gap in
72,
there.
70, a
I mean, you
72,
got the
75
long
breakout?
here above this on the ES. You got the
There's a
short
long right
there.
now, but
It
that's
is
a
a
rough one.
long, but the price action is a little just a squirrely right now.
Yeah.
I mean, you got a buy above 304, and you got a sell down here at 259. I don't know if I want to risk money on this market right now.
That's just
Really
tough.
don't. The RTY is setting up for another long over here. That's a hard. No, the shorts are where it's at. This is selling. All right, I'm gonna take this risk on the NQ below the pivot here. It's got to go now, or I just have to kill it. You got to go now. You got to go now. Go, go, go now, or I kill you. I kill you.
Kill you. I'll kill you.
I was watching Jeff Dunham the other night.
I'll kill you.
Go. Nope. 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 Can't do it. I'm not taking this risk. Done. That's it. That's it. I'm not trading this morning. This stupid price action. I'm out.
Mouse, this is one of those
Not
mornings
doing it.
that
I'm not
will
doing it. I'm not gonna
chew
waste.
you to
That's
shreds.
300, and that's almost $500 of down, and that's it. I'm not. No more risk for me. No more risk. I'm not trading this market right now. When the trades don't do what they're supposed to do, stop trading. Stop. Just stop trading. Again, all right. Look at other asset classes. They may actually behave properly. I don't really have anything on 6E yet. I need a swing. I'd like for it to get up to this level so I could short it again, or down to this level so I could buy it. One or the other. I don't care. GC, if it could go a little bit lower and give me a decent setup, I'll take an MGC long.
Around 71,
I
yeah.
I would do that. There's a lot of ifs that are attached to that one. CL, I would take a trade on CL this morning. I'm gonna, yeah, I'll leave that. I can use that
This NQ is
same
going to
account.
short, just so you know.
Huh?
This NQ is going to short.
I know it is. I know it's gonna be a short, but what do you
There
do?
it goes.
Like,
Right as I said
I'm
it.
not trading this crazy stuff. I mean, you're like, I think you're gambling to do it.
Yeah,
I mean, I know it's a short, but who's to say that it comes down and does what it just did? Comes down, pops
right.
back up, take your stop. Like, it's a short, but then it comes down and pops back up, takes your stop. When's the one that's gonna run? That's flip. How many times do you get in and risk that? Paul. That's
I know, I agree.
how many times do
I
you
do
risk?
agree.
You
I
say,
wouldn't
I'm
have
gonna keep
taken the
jumping in,
trade,
keep
but
jumping in, keep jumping in. No, I'm not gonna trade like that. RTY is a short now. Everything's a short. All right. Is this a? See, look at this. Yeah. Like, you want to trade this crap? I'm not going to. Sit back, relax, be all cool, shoot some b-ball outside of the school.
out by the school.
Oh, yeah. This is joke telling time. CL, I mean, again, I like the long on CL, Tom. I just don't know. Like, I didn't have a good entry. Just didn't have a good entry there. I got all day to get this thing done. I'm tempted to look at a smaller tick chart short, but all right. So we
Back
got
above the
a
pivot.
not a very high ATR. I thought it'd be higher than that. Uh, I mean, there's a low tick chart, small tick chart, short, but again, I'm. This is no. I mean, let me look at levels here. Still in the middle. Still in the middle. RTY may have moved out a little bit. Yeah, RTY might have a better. You you might could look at a long. What's I'm assuming there's something going on. Yeah, not a good setup there, Tom. Um, Look at this. Yeah, NQ is a short, right, Paul?
Thank you. I mean,
When, like, what? Whose account you gonna trade this with? Would you trade
it
it?
is. No, I'm just telling
Would
you
you
what I
would you
see. But
trade it?
no, I'm
Okay,
not
then
trading it.
let's
No,
not call shorts.
I'm not. I just make a comment that it's going down. Don't know
I
how,
mean,
when, and it might bounce up 50 points before it
you
goes
could
down.
look at a breakout short on RTY if you're crazy enough to do it right now. I mean, again, we know
That
there's a
thing
short.
shoot up. Look at that.
We can see. Yeah, this is
Huh,
this is nuts. I'm not gonna. I'm not doing this.
there's your
What did I tell
long
you
setting
guys?
up.
The first thing that came out of my freaking mouth. Inside day. Buckle down. Get ready for some bull crap. Did I say that? I think I said that, right, Paul? Did I not say that,
You
guys?
did say that.
Did I say that? Who heard me say that? You guys heard me say that, right? Inside day, get ready for bull. Well, I said something different than bull crap, but that's basically what I said. Well, guess what we got? The Oracle of Canton, Georgia. The Oracle of St. Petersburg. I'm gonna be the trading oracle. I knew it was coming. I don't know why I've freaking tried to get in these trades. I knew this was going to be this type of morning. And gave back most of the $700. Well, thankfully I'm not trading that other account again today, and I'm gonna keep my losses to recoverable losses. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna switch off these accounts until the afternoon. That way I'm not
That
looking
would be
at this
smart.
red. Is that smart on my part or not? I'll get rid of these accounts. Come back to those later. Come back to these guys later. I could put the account on that's got $700 up, make me look like a rock star. I'm not
There you
gonna
go.
trade it again though.
Make people on YouTube think we know what we're doing.
Like, you guys don't do anything. Here, you know what I'll do? I'm gonna put make people on
Put one up that says 700 and one that says negative 700. They'll be like
YouTube.
confused.
I don't want to be down 700. If I'm down 700, I'm having a bad day. I really the bed. Mm-mm-mm. But I can do it on one chart because I'm not like 99% sure. I'm not gonna see a perfect GC setup, so I'll just put that there. Show it off on GC. This guy's. Well, I just found these guys on YouTube. This guy's up 700 on GC. I'm gonna join his channel.
Hmm. That's how you do it.
Whatever. I did catch a nice little end of day trade yesterday.
I think
I was
was that with you? No,
no no
that's
no
not.
I was recording and we had that where was it at? had this little slow chop down. Um, oh, I know it was on the NQ. It's like 15 something, 15 something. Yo, it was this. I did this short. It was a nice little short. It ran down, grabbed. I mean, it's like a $450 trade. Again, I know these are shorts, people, but getting into the trade is the issue.
It's a yeah, yeah.
It's a short. I just don't know what to
It
do.
is definitely
What do
short,
you
but
want
it's
me to
going
do
to
now?
go up and down, up and down. You're going to have to give it some room to breathe.
I mean, they got their bellies full in contracts. It looks like.
I mean, you got the overnight low here. It's about to break on the NQ,
I mean that.
and what is essentially still the Crable right here too. Well, it's still a couple minutes early.
Do we?
It's all right
I
here.
mean,
Here
you're
we
at a
go.
level. I mean, it's got
Oof.
to go below that level for me.
It's just tough to push the sell button here. You have to. I mean, you got to give it a. I mean, your real stop's way up here because
I
this
mean,
could
yes,
easily
it's
bounce
setting up
up
a buy at the
50
pivot.
points. Yeah, it is. To buy right now, literally. Shut up. Right at the pivot. I actually like that move where it breaks below the pivot and then comes back through.
I'm not. I'm not
No,
saying.
I'm not saying trade it. I'm just talking. I'm not trading. I mean, I
You
can't
can't
risk it.
trade right
And
now.
my internet could go out at any minute, and I'm
I
not.
mean, all right. So look, you could look at a sell stop below these levels. I'm not. I can't convince myself to pull a trigger on something right now.
So here's a thought: don't.
You guys don't do anything. Well,
Good. I don't have a problem with that.
hmm, you can't trade. I made $1,000 this morning. You're a gambler.
I'm sure there's people making money somewhere.
There's somebody making money, I'm sure.
Good for them.
I mean, if look, if I had a large account
Oh
that
yeah, that's a different story. You can
that
put
I
big stops.
that I used to have,
Trading a 50K prop account, you're not.
no,
You're
yeah,
gambling. I don't care what
yeah,
you
no,
say.
I
You're
can't do. I
gambling.
mean, there was a day where I traded with these large stops, and I did fine with it.
I just saw what Dan wrote.
I know they're being funny this morning.
That's a good one. There's your breakout of your overnight low.
Yeah, what? Come on, do it. I would. All right, so let me think about this for a second. If we bust this level, I would look at a bear flag on the ES. There's a smart thought process because there's lots of room to go to the next level. Um, in Q, I'm pretty sure it's the same way. Yeah, we got room to run. All right, so this is an area where I would look at a bear flag or a long setup. Um, You know, I think if this doesn't hold here, then you've got a good chance at um like a nice little bear flag trade. But the price action this morning is just like, I mean, you could put a sell stop in here, but I mean, do I really want that trade? That's probably a tick too tight, isn't it? I mean, this morning's it says down. I just can't do it. I can't pull myself to do this. I really cannot pull myself to do it.
Here's a thought. Don't do it.
Right.
10 o'clock. Right at the Crable.
The Crable. The Crabelle.
I mean, it's just a freaking short. Put a micro on. That's what I'll do.
Put a micro
Put a
on.
mic. I can put a micro. I want to trade, but I'm scared that if
You
I get in
still
trade,
can't
my
buy
internet
me.
will go out.
See, look at that long. It's a long setup. That's
You
what it
need some good
was.
ones. That is a good one. Yeah, look at that bounce. Woo! Wee!
Mm-hmm.
That was it, but who would have thought it?
What was levels? What did Stretch say? Levels are key. Wow. Look at them levels working.
Yes, 54 next. No, I don't think you're going to get your 54.
Mm-mm-mm. Somebody took the long? Nobody? Yeah, I didn't think
No,
so. Who would have thunk? I mean, you could have made a point here of saying, hey, if it breaks above the pivot again on the ES, that's a long. Um, I mean, now, now, this is a short I would entertain here on the ES. That's a short I would entertain. That low is
where's she going?
71.25, so 71. But then they may just run it all the way back up now. This could be one of those ones where it
Mm-hmm.
fakes you out and runs back up. Inside day, man. Inside day. All right, I'm gonna take a risk on this one guy. Oh, go get the target. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. One ticks me. Target achieved. Does it go any further? I don't know. No, it schools it. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it to stop it. And then I'd have to target back down here a little bit. And the NQ's not going, but you could. There we go. Hey, we did a good thing. Yes, short.
There we go.
Short. It's gonna get my
I
target.
actually, I, I actually took that short. I was
Took that
risky.
short, bro.
I had to take. Yeah, well, I had to take a trade. I had to.
You didn't have to do shit.
Can't watch you have all the fun.
I didn't do anything. I did all I did was take a 53, 50, 53. Oh. And I grabbed the NQ short as well, but I couldn't get through the right screen, the right account on this screen in time. I don't know if I was on the same account on both of those or not. If I was, that'd be beautiful. Beautimous. Beautimous. Nope, was not.
Be right back.
Um,
Be right back.
all right. This should be a good target if this holds. below the pivot. If it holds below the pivot, this should be. I might be a little aggressive, but I mean, you look at yesterday. A couple ticks aggressive on the target. Couple ticks aggressive. Yeah, there we go. Whatever. All right. Okay. All right. That's that's how you do it. And that's how you do it. So I got 2 accounts off my list today. And a few more trades, and I'll be a happy. That ES short was quick. Anybody grab that short with me? CL. Oh shoot, yeah, that was a sorry, Tom. Yeah, that was a better setup, Tom, than the original one. Much better setup. Stretch short. Good job, guys. Sten, ask questions. What? Like, here's a good question. Let me help you out. Why did you take that short? Hmm. Hmm. And then I'll give you some, give you some stuff to add. Oh, you're still reading through all those notes too. Why did you take that short? Now I did it on the NQ and the ES. Let me look around real quick. Did you get the? Let me real quick before I answer that question. Thanks for asking, Tom. Did you get the CL long? Oh, good job, man. All right, stay in it. Are you? I hope you're still in it because there's nothing that said you should be out of it.
Why did you take that short? Did you explain?
Good,
Maybe you
good.
explain that.
Um, Let me give you a stop, Tom.
That's fine. MNQ and MES is fine. You can trade that.
I would use 6403 right now. You could be maybe a tick or two tighter than that if you really need to. 6404. That might be a little too tight. 6402 is a real stop. 6402. Okay. I only have MNQ and MES set up. Yeah, I would get in a member meetup, get these guys to help you get set up on the charts. Um, dang, that was the short. I let me.
I mean, he probably should be trading MNQ and MES.
Yeah, no,
I
he
mean,
totally should
right now.
be. He should be
Yeah.
trading MNQ, MES, everything, the micros,
MYMA. You
everything.
should be trading all micros right now.
Yeah, as a
Don't
newbie,
risk any,
all
and
micros.
one or two micros at a time. Not, don't go for money right now. Go
No,
for
I'm not going for
knowledge.
money. You're going for knowledge. That's right.
Yeah.
Um, all right. I just want to make sure I'm analyzing my charts real quick, and then I'll answer the question on why we took that short. Or Paul can talk about it real quick.
Which short are we talking
The
about?
ES and NQ I took just a second ago.
The NQ I took, or well,
The
I
ES.
didn't take the ES. I took the NQ because it was basically a. First of all, we have a really strong down momentum, right? We've been talking about it. So I was just really looking for a pullback, and it pulled up, and the 2,000 tick chart set up good. We had a wick, a big wick, and then right when that second bar broke, I was done. I jumped in.
Okay.
I don't know what it
No,
looks
I
like
don't
on
think
your
he.
charts.
Don't think he. There's there's a long here setting up on the ES. I'm just trying to decide if I want to look at this short as a
Oof.
breakout on short real quick before I answer his question too. That's a long. I just can't take it right now. Do we want to do that? Mm, looks a lot like a double bottom, doesn't it? All right. I'm not worried about it.
NQ. Ooh.
All right. Now, if the GC swings up here, I'm gonna keep your eye on the MGC for me or GC.
GC.
Be flat on that RT CL trade. Good trade on CL. All right. So Stan, here you go. Look at my screen. So when Paul says momentum, we're looking at this 89 white 89 exponential moving average, um, and a 2,000 tick chart. So at this pointing down, that means momentum's down. We're the market says we want to go down whenever it rolls over like that. So that's check one. Check two is a lower high than before. We also use this 89 exponential as a guide for us. A lot of times price will bounce off this 89 on a regular basis, especially if the market wants to trend. So what you do is you wait for the market to rally up, and then price rejected off this level, stalled here for a second, and then it came back up on this candle and stalled. So it was easy to put the sell stop in once that stalled, and then the expectation is that price will continue in your direction. So it's not a complicated thought process. It's really step one, two, three, four. Step one, what direction is market going? Down. Step two, let me wait for a rally up to get it a level. We talked about that earlier. Now you'll learn levels later on. Spend as much time around stretch as you can. You'll learn levels. And then three, price stalled long enough for there to be enough momentum to be gained or enough contracts to be gained for price to continue in the down direction. So that's why we took trade. Not a complicated way to look at it, but really straightforward. All right. Hopefully that helps a little bit. It's all right. Take. Yeah. Stan, I don't know. I mean, can you spare $50? If you can spare $50, get Gray to help you. He'll take plenty of time with you. You'll get all the basics with Gray. You'll get everything. I mean, I think that's a $50 well spent. Yeah, but also, yeah, we use stochastics. We do absolutely, absolutely. Okay, yeah, it's in the what is it, services channel where you sign up for your trial, and he'll schedule a time with you when you set that up.
I'm back. I don't know what I missed, but
I'll let Gray know to look out for your appointment. And he'll take plenty of time with you, and he'll do it in the evening, so you have plenty of time to spend together. So that'll help you a lot. I'm glad I analyzed my charts and talked myself out of the breakout short.
already got short wear.
Oh, I didn't realize you were in the room with us, Gray.
Uh,
I didn't realize Gray was in the room. Gray's in here. Gray, say hi. Just then. Come
Great, you
on.
can, yeah,
Say hi,
you can
Stan.
talk now.
He should have
Hey,
admin.
what's up?
Yeah,
There he is.
yeah. Jump in and say hi to him. I thought I
I
heard his
got
voice.
caught ES by, pulled it.
Did I hear Gray?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
here.
I think he
Oh
jumped
yeah.
down. He said
Oh
hi.
yeah. There's Stan. There's Gray. He's gonna help you out.
Yeah, so give me a few hours, probably like 3, 4 hours, and I'll be able to hop on with you.
Do we look at this short? Do we look at this short? I'm not trying to cut you off, Gray, but yeah.
ES?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Crap.
gosh,
I think we
man.
missed it.
I'm on the wrong account on this other chart too. No, I don't know if that's a miss. I
Maybe
mean,
not. Let it come
we're
back
still
up.
jacking around this freaking pivot too, man. If it makes a bigger M though. No, this is another
I
situation
think
where
this
I'd be
is
comfortable putting like now if this stays down, that's a nice sell stop for me. I gotta switch this account on the other charts here because I don't want to trade that one anymore. It's over 400 bucks. Uh, not trading that one. That's
But you could also look at
$700.
this thing going back up
That's
too.
that one. I don't really have a lot of accounts left to trade. Yeah, back up to where? Right where VWAP
Uh,
is.
VWAP would be a place. Yeah. I
That'd be a
have
good place to
even
sell
all the way
probably.
as high as 81. 9.
82. I'm sitting at 82, 83. So that's close. I think this is one of those ones that yes,
It's
it's
going up.
gone. So again, here's a great example of using a big tick chart. This is a failed short, never came through here. You can, in most scenarios, buy this on the breakout in a big tick chart and usually get your targets. Now, is that something I want to regularly do? Absolutely not. I want to trade with the trend, trade with the big tick chart, and not 9 times out of 10, if the big tick chart sets up, forget it, trend or not, take the trade. Am I right, Paul?
Absolutely.
Okay. Um, this might set up for me to actually look at a real GC short, not even MGC. Um, got one account that I might try that out on. Yeah, Tom. I didn't even see your message, but yes, I we people I trust. I might think about giving Mike access just to every now and then say, hey, is GC at a good level? Because I can't see everything.
I mean,
Me and Paul can't see
we can
everything.
give people mic access. If it gets too crazy, we can take it away.
Only somebody I trust not to screw with me in my trading, and you, obviously. I mean, only somebody
Us,
we
maybe.
trust not to screw with our trading. Oh, that's a short too. I should have left my sell stop in. Dag nabbit. Oh well.
I don't know.
See, this is the thing. I'm gonna focus on the GC trade because I think this is a good trade, Tom.
Looks like it's
Either
wanting to set up, doesn't it?
I'm either gonna do MGC or GC. I don't know. I got my MGC chart ready to go on this other screen. On the account that I want it on. You gonna do it with me on the MGC, Tom?
I'll do it if it sets up.
Let's do this, guys. Let's do this MGC.
Oh, you think
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do. It's such a small risk now. It's trying to set up perfectly, isn't it? If it gave me just another candle that starts below this little structure.
that break below VWAP would be comfortable.
All right, let's see. What
And in the 89, got everything right there.
I wonder if we should just switch to like a 500 MGC tick chart or 700
An actual MGC chart.
MGC. Yeah, 700 tick or something like that.
That might be
All
actually.
right, so I'm gonna look at this below. This low here is 87.2. Okay, I'm gonna put sell stop in at 87.2. 87. Sorry, 87. Let's go 87 even. That's a little tight.
Hmm.
It's trying to shape up to be a
Strong to
good
the
one,
upside.
isn't it?
Hmm.
All right, let me. Here, I like 86.3. I'm looking at the small tick chart. That's below a little ledge and some consolidation, prior consolidation. Um, there's a pivot level. I like this. I think it's setting up right. I think it's setting up right, guys. I'm a fan of it. I mean, it'd be nice if I had one more candle to start lower. If this would just stall right here and then get a candle to start lower, I'd be really happy with that. But I think I'm pretty happy with it the way it is. Not a
And
huge
where are you
risk
wanting to go
trade.
in at?
I'm in. I'm filled. Um, so my stop's going to start at like 90, 92, 3, 92, 2. 92.2 is my original stop here. We'll see. I mean, I'm in. Hey, put this on
Oh
MGC.
crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! I gotta get out.
What?
I'm in a mini. I was in a mini. Oh well, let it run. Go, baby. Oops.
All right, there's my MGC trade. Hmm.
Wow.
You know, that's actually kind of interesting because MGC would have put you in at 87.8, and you'd already have targets off. What's that low? Oh, come on. Go. That low is 88. Yeah, so like 87.8 would have been your entry on that MGC. I think I'm going to stick with this MGC chart. What do you think, Paul?
I mean, if it, yeah, I mean,
This
if
needs to
it's
go
probably
down
not a
here.
half bad idea since that's what we're trading. So
Well, I do like my GC if it sets up right. Those are blockbuster. Oh man, and the indices are starting to run back up. This is nuts on the indices, guys. I I'm losing faith in this MGC trade, but it's not a huge risk. What are we gonna lose? Like $150 if it's total loss? I think it's worth the risk. If it can just stay below VWAP, we're good to go.
VWAP's where you're going to go.
If it stays below VWAP, it's gone. So I just hope it doesn't rally up too much before then. All right. Let's look around at the other places and see what we got. Nothing really. It's a bunch of crap. I, I knew walking in this morning. I'm kicking myself for taking those two trades too. Those are amateur
Yeah, that's what
trades,
I did.
people.
That's what I did yesterday, and I
Amateur
was
trades.
total amateur move. Total
Freaking
amateur move.
amateur
I did that.
trades, man.
I know. That's
Don't do those
that's.
Don't do those two trades I did this morning, or what we call it. Those are trades
I
that
did
you
that
would.
yesterday afternoon. Remember? I kept telling you I
Oh
don't.
yeah, you did the amateur
This is a
trade.
mistake.
Yeah, that's right.
This is a mistake. There's a mistake, and boom, I got busted for $400 on my PA.
Slap you on your paid money too, on your money account.
That one hurt. That was a real loss. That was money out of my pocket.
Oh man. Hey, I hit for 445 on a set of 3 of deadlifts yesterday.
Nice. That is smart. Very smart, Stan. Very smart.
Hey, All right, good job, Sten. Good. Sim is where you should be. Yes.
Here comes your
All
GC.
right,
I think
GC, let's do it, buddy. MGC. Oh wait. How long is this in? Let's see. MGC 114. MGC short. Doing my trade log. That's it. You guys should be doing a trade log. Look at me noting my trades. See, I'm just being a real boy in front of you guys, treating this like a business in front of you, doing a
a
trade log
business
live in front of you.
because
I
you're an
know it's
independent businessman.
you actually. What'd you say?
You're an independent businessman.
What is that from?
I don't know. It just popped in my head when you said like a business. I was like, you an independent businessman.
This really looks like a long on GC, doesn't it?
It sure does look like it is.
It really looks like
It's
it.
not breaking. It's not getting below
Do I
VWAPs.
switch to a different account and hedge my bet and
Ooh,
take
there
a
you
look at the
go.
long?
Get to hedge that sucker.
Let's see here. Let's see. Sure does look like it's making a long, doesn't it? Best laid plans. You know, again, here's the thing. Look at this. This is what I'm looking at on this. Like, MGC gave this sell signal below this wick, right? Right here. That would have
Hmm.
been targets off. Easy. Easy
That
peasy
would have
lemon
been targets
squeezy.
off. Yep. Yeah, you're right. That would have been a winning trade.
Just saying. I think I might need to cancel this short. I can't keep doing this, guys. I'm closing this short out. I'm not gonna
Sometimes
end
taking
up
a
going
small loss is worth it.
down a whole $10. Oh, that was the account that was only up like $40 anyway. Oh no, it's the end of the world. Um, Other than that, I got one account I can't trade because I took there's two stupid trades, but everything else is pretty green except for this one $10 one that's down $10. I got a couple accounts I could switch over to. Is it going to go to turn back break 89? Yeah, you know, but again, best laid plans. I'm putting this back on GC. Keep my MGC on the side. I think it just looks cooler to be GC.
See.
But now you look at this GC chart and you have a solid sell signal below the pit, below the actually now that becomes a little bit more enticing, doesn't it? Below VWAP, below that low there
Hmm.
of
That's what I
84.1.
said. That's what I said. I said that earlier. It's got to be below VWAP. I think at this point because
So
it's
above
holding
again is the
VWAP.
buy. I'm
Yeah.
not going to do the breakout buy. I'd rather wait for the
No,
short,
not on
but
GC.
there it goes.
Good thing you closed that trade.
Yeah, save myself some money.
Smart loss. That's a smart loss.
Well, the tick chart said that it wanted to go back up, so why stay in it and eat that full stop? And if it does, here's my and you and I talk about this all the time. If it doesn't start working right away, I start getting suspicious.
I'm the same way, especially on the NQ.
If it,
That's
it,
one.
it
That's
everything
one
for
indicator.
me. If it's a good setup, which this looked like a good setup,
I mean, I'll give some a little bit more, like 6E. Obviously, don't worry about.
I don't care. I don't. 6C. I just put the trade
You
on
know,
and
crude, I'll
close
give
it.
it a little bit more. Crude
CL
doesn't
because
seem
it's
to
not that
react quite
heavy.
as quick.
RTY, give it a little bit more lenience because it's
RTY a
so
little bit
jumpy.
more, but like NQ gold, if it doesn't happen right away, as
NQ
soon as you
ES
do it,
gold.
just
If the trade doesn't
90%
happen,
of the times
yeah,
I'll kill it.
that's
I'll kill it
that's exactly right too.
because NQ is a reactionary
I
market.
hold a little bit longer than you, and I probably shouldn't. I hold a lot
Yeah.
longer than
Well, I
you,
mean,
and I
yeah.
probably
Now
shouldn't.
sometimes you've held it
And
to a
I
nice
take
profit, and
wins that
I've
you
killed
don't
the win,
take,
and I've killed a winner.
and you
Yeah,
kill a winner. But that
but I'm
does,
okay with that though.
I'd say between the two of us, that's a coin flip. I mean, you save losses. You probably half the time you get out early, you save a loss, and half the time you get out early, I take a win.
Do you have a winner? Yeah,
And that to me is coin flip territory. We should probably track that. That's something we should probably track in our stats.
it probably would be worth tracking.
We got to the point where our win rates are high. We're like, do we really need to track shit anymore?
But we should though. We should always track.
Dude, I keep track. Remember, I'm doing my trade log right now. Doing my trade log, right? Meow. Every time I take a trade. Well, I mean, not horrible. I mean, really, really not that horrible. It's either going to go pivot, turn, break. Yeah. Did you kill it too, Tom? I mean, that's a small loss. That's an eatable loss. I hope you did with us. I mean, technically you got the long, but I'm not trading that right now. Now that the ES and NQ are starting to move, I'm going to switch my focus back to those. Yes, no loss. Closed it at 0. Nice, Tom. Good job. We should ask Tom. Should we get out of trade? Yes. Every time. Get out of trade? Yes. Every time. All right, Stan.
This is one time when pulling a Tom is beneficial.
Yeah, no, that's all right, Stan. Yeah, I could, dude. When it comes to trading, you can get information overload. Huge, big time.
That makes sense then. You're doing it right, man.
I
Just
gotta
keep
get it.
doing it.
Yeah, do it the
Take
way
your
you're doing
time.
it. You will no rush. If you try to put a rush on making profits and trading, it will slap you
You're
in
going to put a rush on
back.
losing money. That's what you're going to put a
That's
rush
exactly
on.
what you do. This is back to the area, man. I keep looking at this on the NQ and ES saying this level breaks and holds. I, I would be willing to look for that sell stop below a bear flag, and it looks like it wants to do it this time. This is right at that level too. It's got to be a bear flag though. I can't just press the sell button.
Just can't take
And
a
it can't
break.
be a small rally either. You know, it can't be one of those little miniature rallies and then turn around, push back through. It's got to be a true bear flag for me. But you got a couple candles here. This is the level. Tell me what to do. Would you do the bear flag? Maybe try it on. It sure does
Right
look like
here.
it, though, doesn't it?
Right here.
Oh, I tried to do it.
Thing is, I got an area right. I mean, right here is where I think he could bounce. So I don't know.
Well, yes, you're right. It could bounce, but the stronger level is where we've been bouncing off of this morning.
Yes.
That is the stronger level. All
And the
right.
NQ isn't quite at a low either. NQ's got a little bit further to go. I mean, it would have worked.
So it was, yeah, no, you definitely would have had a target off on it.
I will take a clean setup long right here, though.
It's not going to. You're not going to get a clean setup.
I don't think we're going to get a clean setup, but I said if it does set up, I will take it. Push down.
Let's just going forward, we're gonna ask Tom if we should get out of the trade.
There we go.
The answer is always going
Tom,
to be
you're our stop management guy, Tom.
The answer is always going to be one.
Here's your
the
long
same answer every
setup.
time. Tom, should we get out of the trade? The answer is yes.
He's like, I'm already out of it. What are you talking about?
Yes. Get out of the trade. Yes.
You've been out of that thing for 2 minutes. Why are you still in that trade? The minute we start thinking about asking Tom, we pushing the close button.
He's already
Ooh, look
closed
at
it. Oh man, I really want to try this. Okay.
that. And Q's breaking too.
And this is the level. I said it all morning, and that was the only thing I'm kicking myself on is not doing it at the price level I wanted to do it at. Because I'd be sitting in a risk-free trade, right? Meow. And this is it. I mean, again, didn't get the bear flag on the NQ, but
I can't do it. I almost pushed it, but I can't do it.
you did.
Cannot do it. No, I thought about taking the NQ breakout there at the low, but I just can't. I can't because this thing is not. I don't think this is. If it's going to go down, I don't doubt that, but I'm going to have to hold it. And I don't want to be in a position.
Down, right?
Yeah, this could come back up, then go back down, and I don't want to be in a position holding at something and then my power goes out.
Oh no, that's
I'm looking for little scalps just that I can get in and out.
the ideal situation would be get a little rally. The ideally willy nilly.
Lily.
The ideally willy nilly situation is.
I mean, ES is in right at the Globex low, right? No, it's not the Globex low. What are you talking about, Paul?
Dude, I thought it broke it already. No, it didn't. It is.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, it's got a little bit lower to go.
All the way down
52.20, 52.25, yeah.
All the way down that level. Man, I considered doing the NQ as well. Stick to my plan. I didn't stick my plan, Paul. My plan was to short this below this level. Target's off. Now where do we go to?
I think you can get another shot on the ES. I think it's going to break
I just
this.
did it below that one.
Okay.
That's why I said target's off. I was thinking about where this is going to go to.
I mean, right here is probably where I would try it.
Well, if it breaks here,
there it goes. Target's off. There we go.
If it breaks here, we got down to. I'm
Boom,
trying to
baby.
get my stuff right before it takes my target.
I got in later, but I got my targets off.
So here we got down to this is a little level here, but a better level down here at 44.25. 44.
45. I got support at 45, so yeah.
Okay.
44.25. Yeah, that's another
45,
good area.
I'll shoot for 45 on that one.
So 44, 45. Any one of those two is fine. Little area, little zone area right there.
Do my little thingamajiggy. 127. I got it way later than I wanted it, but whatever.
Got the RTY short.
I still got a bear flag on it though. Still got the bear flag.
Oh, nice, Tom. All right. Well, they both set up, so all three of them set up. I'm in the CS. I'll hold this thing, see if it'll dump.
Let's look at this on a macro view. So we're below all this stuff. Below all that stuff. This is the one spot here that I was looking at from yesterday. Right around that S1. If it pulls down now, if it breaks this spot it's in right now, we most definitely have S1 in the sights. So that would be an official runner too. Should we just make it 44.25 just to make it a 10-point trade?
I mean,
at that point,
yeah, I moved my stop out of the way because I mean my target out of the way.
43.75. That's gonna be my target.
I think you got S1. I think we got S1.
Yeah, that's gonna be my target.
But that being said, 40. Where is S? Wait, why do I not have any pivots on here?
Now I have a good stop. I have a good stop now on the big tick chart back here. So we can go to 52.75 on that stop.
It depends. Right. See what it does right here, because this is an area I got. So see if it.
I'm gonna let it take my stop target, man. But I'm just gonna let it take my target. I'm gonna call that a good trade and let it take the target.
Yeah, it's a nice freaking
Good.
$400-500. That's a $500 trade. That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. I'm just gonna let. I mean, I almost think that I should get my target. What is this low right now?
I'm
45
just gonna tighten my
seems
stop up.
low.
I'm gonna tighten my stop up like
Plus
ridiculously
45.
tight,
Really? All right. Let's just go
and
a
then
couple more ticks.
just
While
like
that
make it really tight.
couple
And
more
then you know what?
25.
If it takes it, it
I
takes
got
it.
faith in my target.
Oh, you're gonna get your
I
target.
wish I
I'm
was in the
thinking you're gonna get.
NQ.
I wouldn't even. I wouldn't take that,
I wish I was in the
Brian.
NQ. Nah, I
I,
mean,
I,
smart trading,
I,
man. Smart
okay.
trading. Smart trading. Take targets.
If it breaks this here,
Stop management.
you're getting S1.
Achievable, realistic targets. That's going to be my new thing.
I'm gonna
Smart
put my stop
trading. Look at
at.
this. Smart trading is. I like it. There you
I'm gonna
go.
stop at
Target achieved.
48, and I'm gonna leave it there. If it breaks through here, great. If not, I gave back a few points. There it goes. Now I'll bring it down to.
Do you like
Now
that?
I'll bring it down to your target and have it a little bit above it. Have it
You like my thing? Smart trading.
what? Yeah,
Stop
smart. I mean,
management.
that's.
Achievable and realistic targets.
But you're just the one telling me you're talking about S1, and then you change your mind on me.
Was that not an S1?
No, S1. I got S1 further down.
Oh my goodness. I
I
was
got a
on the
long ways to
wrong.
go.
Oh shoot.
That's what I'm saying. If it can break through here, I think you got S1.
Whatever. That was a good target. Look at it rallying back
Well,
up
it's going to
from my
bounce up.
target.
Yep, it's going to give me. All right,
Look
fine.
at
All right.
my
Still a
smart,
great trade. Great,
achievable,
great,
and
great
realistic
trade.
targets, Paul. That's gonna be my new thing. Smart trade. I like that, right? That should be a thing we do.
Yeah.
Your eyes on GC. I like it more the longer that it didn't break.
Got
That
my
you didn't
eyes
get to
on
break out
GC.
long. You didn't get to break out long. I would entertain that trade one more time. Not on
Got
this
your eyes on
account that I'm
GC
over
for what?
500
A
on.
short? I'm not taking that thing short.
Look.
You got strong
What do
momentum
you
to
think
the
about my
upside.
target now, Paul?
Yeah, you're right. Good target. I'm out. I'm out. I gave back about a point and a half. I can live with that. I can live with that. It was worth the point risk to see if it would break it.
Look, the old me would have done what you did.
No, the old you would still be closer to your entry on your stop.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no.
All I did was rather than take the target there, I just tightened it up to like a
The
point and
old
a half
me would have a
behind it,
stop at.
just to see if it would break that level.
The old me would have a stop at 50 right now, even.
Yeah, you'd be way the hell up there. You wouldn't
Now,
even close.
actually, now because of price action, I'd be at the 49. But you can't
And
trade
the old you would have been,
You
and the
can't
old
trade
you would have
prop
been
counts like
right.
that, though.
We'd still be in this trade.
Yeah, you can't trade prop counts like that, though. You got to take these targets right away. Now, do you get the thought process is do you switch accounts and get back in? Because I'm not
Oh,
trading that account again.
oh.
Not trading
Geez,
that
I don't know.
account.
That's a good
Done on that
question.
account. Not trading that account. Done on that account. I mean, here's what I'm looking at here. What account do I trade? I mean, I got in my account groups. I've got this guy that's $150 up. Everything else is over $400, except for the one account I'm not trading until tomorrow because it took a full loss. What do I do? What do you do in that scenario? Do you take a shot on this one on the short? I mean, these are bona fide shortable levels.
They're bona fide.
Bona fide. Look, so let's just. I think patience is going to be the victor on this one. Let me look at the ES here real quick. Holler at me if you guys see that GC setting up. ES. Yesterday's lows are coming here in a little bit. This might be an area that we look for a long from, but I knew they were going to sell this thing off. I'm not going to jump in on the sell stop here. That was a good runner. Official runner for the morning too. I gotta get my runner music.
We need some.
Where do I get that from?
You play music on here?
Hmm? Well, I don't know. I mean,
Long end queue.
that's my noise.
Okay, dokey. Okay, dokey.
Oh, well, that was the bounce level. I didn't see a good long. 1047.
That was a good bounce level.
Uh, Spanish lesson of the day. Okay, let's see what this is.
E.
Oh, I gotta do it on my phone. Never mind. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna take a break here in a minute anyway, till about 12:30 or 1. So whatever.
Well, okay. I got to leave at 1, so I don't know if you wanted to stay a little longer here or what.
Oh, I'm beans. I got no beans about that. Beans about it. All right, Tom. Do we look at this GC short or what?
What do we do, Tom? What do we do?
I'm seriously considering a long, um, or a breakout again on the short side. Let me look again on these indices. Same thing on RTY. It might come. Should be coming around the mountain when she comes. Oh man, it's really
Hoorah.
tempting, but I just don't want to risk any more money after being this green this morning. if you really are interested, there's a free and clear sell stop coming right now. Like right now. You'd have to do it like right now.
Breakout
You'd have to do it right now.
below
But
the
the NQ
S1.
hasn't broken out yet either.
Oh, you talking about on ES? I
ES,
was looking at the one on.
ES.
I was looking at the breakout on NQ.
Well, the NQ hasn't come yet, but that's a little bit more enticing, isn't it, than the ES one?
It looks cleaner.
It does look cleaner. I mean, this is one of those situations where you could literally put a buy stop here. You'd have just as good of a chance on either of these. Like literally, you'd have just as good of a chance on either of those making out. And that's what I call a coin flip. The long obviously should be the trade, but that's a little bit too far up for me. I mean, you'd have to, and that's coming right at the 89 on lower tick chart. I just can't take that long. I mean that's long. It's the long, and you would have had targets off, but it's not in my playbook. I've done good this morning, and for a guy with no internet, you've done pretty good, right?
Yeah, for having spotty internet today, I am doing real well on GC.
No, I was looking at earlier. That's why I liked it at the
Touch
pivot, and
GC right
then
now.
this is probably actually a better level than the level I have up here. Although I like that level too. But Tom's right. This has been an area where it's kind of gone both directions. Literally right at the pivot too.
It's
I like
tough
it a
to look
little
for.
bit higher though, Tom. See, there's no way I could take that breakout trade on the long. Come on.
No.
Why is this not? Am I frozen? What's going on?
Frozen cocktail.
Oh my god! The new baseball term, frozen pizza. I'm like, shut up. Oh yeah, you threw a strike. Shut up. You throw those more often than the batters get the hits. Mm. I mean, that's so tempting to look at that short, but I just can't. I can't pull myself to do it right now. Trying to be a patient, good little trader here. I don't have I mean, I only have one little account group left to trade. I'm not like dying to get it done. Get it done. Not
Short.
dying to get
If you
it
want.
done. I know it's
I
a
wouldn't
short,
take it.
but I don't. Would you take it?
No, I would not take it.
It's a
It
short.
would. It would. It will have. It did work out, but I would not have took it. Taken it.
Taking it. It's a short. I mean, most of the time, again, like I said earlier, most of the time, big tick chart when it doesn't, it should have been a long, doesn't make it. You take the short.
There goes. There she goes.
Should have left. Should have, could have, would have game here. Should have left myself stop below S1. Okay, you'd be a genius if you did that. You're either stupid for not taking the trade or a genius for taking it. Or you're either stupid for taking it sometimes.
Damn, that turned out pretty nice, actually.
Let's see. We got some stuff down here just below S1. Right in this area. Right in this area. Whoa. Same on the ES. Got yesterday's lows. So let's watch yesterday's lows. Let's see what happens. If it busts through yesterday's lows, now then I start thinking, Tom, I like
Oh,
the
you got
setup.
another
Huh?
10 points. You almost got another 10 points on the ES before you really run into anything. You could.
Nope. Nope.
Past
Nope.
this
Nope.
lows, past
Nope.
these lows.
Not doing it.
I wouldn't touch the GC. You guys are crazy. That GC is just pivot dancing. You can have it.
Yeah,
There's
look at this.
nothing that looks clean to me at all on that GC. Not even close. Tick chart, 600 tick chart is basically just rangy. If you look left, small tick chart is momentum straight up. Like I wouldn't touch a short. Oh, maybe I see something different. I'm more excited about the ENQ and the ES somewhere around. Almost tempted. Well, see, I should have. When I said it, I should have just pushed the short button because this thing's coming to S1. That was a 10-point move. Yeah, look at this GC. You're going to have to tell me what you see on GC. I mean, you could get up to 104 before you run into anything you'd want to short. Now, up there, I would look for a short. Let it cook a little longer. Yeah, thing's going to have to stir a long time. Dang, I should have took that short, that breakout short. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
My goodness. What? Why did you tell me
Mhm.
not to take that short again, Paul?
I don't know. Guess must have been drinking at the time. That was a huge one. It
Right?
was
That was a
huge.
nice short. Yeah. Well, whatever.
I even said the NQ looked even cleaner. So
This, it's just this GC looks very, very heavy.
I, I'm not seeing what you guys are seeing. That's insane. I wouldn't even consider a short until it got up around a 104 or above. Because if that 600 tick is rangy as crap, it's dancing around the pivot, wicking up and down on it. I don't know. I guess you guys must be seeing something I'm not.
I here, you've got a lot of
I'll follow you though if you do it.
here,
I'll do it if you guys do it.
here. Look, you got a ton of contracts. Um, you got a ton of contracts
Good
being traded
Lord.
between 95 and 91, 92. That's a lot of contracts just to sit there for a hot minute. All right. Well, if you're gonna do it, you had to have already done it. So there you go. Never mind. Oh, target off. There you go.
Oh, you took it?
Yeah,
I mean, now you're getting a break of
it's gone. I
VWAP.
told you this thing was gonna go. Look at that. And if it stays below VWAP, hold on.
Oh, this thing is just, it's, this thing is tanking.
I know. I need. That's why. That's the other reason I wanted to think about the MGC. Get this on the right account. There you go. There's your MGC short. Yeah, Tom, you did that in the GC, not MGC. You're a brave soul, dude.
That is crazy.
You are cray cray. Now we can look down here as a. This is a actionable target right here. I think. Let's see. Um, I should be in the ES and NQ shorts, so it should be 140. Is there an account I don't give a crap about that I want to try to do this on? I mean, trying to can somebody give me your account that I can trade this in? Get
I'm not
short in.
trading this.
Somebody give me your account I can get short in. Now we broke yesterday's lows. I'm tempted to try bear flag down here. This is silly. I mean, I don't on the GC. I mean, look. We should have taken that breakout back there. That's a silly thing. I, the first level, that level, that was my freaking level. That level back here, that was my level. Down here, that was my level. Stretch said it this morning. Trust your freaking levels. This is my level here on the ES. Okay, now we can get a new little stop here on the MGC above that wick. Because if it takes that back out, it's coming back up. Hopefully it doesn't, but that's the best thing we can do. Did Tom really do the minis that you did?
That's crazy.
Tom, you are nuts.
Devin just made 1,000 in gold.
Nice, Devin. You guys, that is not a setup I would trade GC
That is,
on.
y'all got
That's
some
a
big
setup I'd
ones.
trade MGC on. I wouldn't trade that on GC.
Yeah, you guys got some big ones. I mean,
You
good. I
got
mean, good for you.
good,
That's great.
good job.
I'm just not willing to. I've had those. I've had those not work out, and that isn't fun.
Right.
I'm not losing $1,000 in a trade. No way. That ain't happening.
No, I mean
That goes
you're
way
risking
beyond my
1,000 to
rules.
win 1,000. That's not
Yeah.
my cup of tea.
No.
But
I'll do
I will
my
show you.
thing. Get paid every month.
I will show you. Yeah, I gotta get paid. I'm not gonna. I will show you a trade that I would do on GC if I find one on the actual GC
Yeah, it'll
contract.
definitely kill you when it goes against you.
Yeah,
I mean, Tom. I mean, good for you, Tom. But I really think that's gambling. I mean, I
yeah,
got to be honest. I think it's gambling.
guys. I don't think y'all
Unless
should
you
be
got a
doing.
huge account. Now, if you got a big account, it's not gambling. If you're doing $1,000 on gold in a 50K account, that is 1,000% gambling
We haven't had.
because
We haven't had a
$2,500
GC
stop.
something I would do on the GC, not MGC. Something I haven't found a trade on GC in probably a week or two, so that I would
Yeah,
actually
back when
take.
we were having those big swings and those big movements,
Then
that's
I'll take a
different because I
GC
was
trade.
racking up $600-700 in micros.
I'll take a GC.
But
Well, all right. So this is one trade I'd probably look at. Nope, that wick's too big. I wouldn't look at that on GC.
mm,
Um,
now, if you could get in it with a small risk, that's a different story.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is these? I'll find one in a second here in a little bit, but we
Mm,
haven't gotten a lot of those small risk GC trades, and you guys need to pay attention to this. I mean,
But any one of
if
those
you
that
want to
you're
be a
looking at right
profitable trader
there,
long term, don't be taking those GC. Great job, good. You guys made money on a good setup. It was a good setup. Don't get me wrong.
757A. No, I mean, congratulations, dude. I'm not
Good
trying to
setup,
steal your glory. Good
but
job.
look how far back I'm having to go to find a trade I would even look at for GC. Oh, I did this one.
Dang,
Okay,
this thing is still
this
going.
right
Missed the
here
pullback. Damn it.
was a 2 wick, 2 candle setup uh, that I would look at on GC. That's it. Because of the small risk. That's not even a good one to look at. Um,
He said, "What about 7:57 a.m.?"
Now this is today.
Yeah.
Is that 8:57 your time? Is it 8:57 my time?
Is that what's Eastern? We speak Eastern here.
I know Tom well enough to know that.
7:57.
Eastern?
Okay. Yeah, Eastern, obviously.
No. Look. All right. So here, let's do this instead of chasing
Yeah,
profits.
put the calculator on it and see how much risk that is in a mini.
What do you mean the calculator?
Put the go to the drawing tool and right there the
Ruler.
ruler. Sorry, ruler, calculator, ruler, same shit. Top right there.
All right.
So
So where's
where
your
would your
entry?
entry be?
Your entry may be here,
If you're really pinpoint right there, yeah.
and your stop's got to be there.
Yep.
Oop.
That's 3.5 points, right? Or was that right? No.
Yeah. Let me do that again real quick. Ruler. So your entry's got to be like here.
Let's say you're real good at your entry right
Your
there
stop's got to be here.
and drag it away. That's 3.5 points. So move that to ticks. What is that? Three tick. That's a $3,000 risk
You're
on one
risking three
contract.
and 3,000 six
Did I
hundred
say that right?
bucks. It's not me. Not That's too big a risk.
It's a huge risk.
Those candles have to be like less than half a point.
Yeah.
If
I
it's
got to be
if it's
about,
if
I
I
mean,
get
if it's
half a
about
point,
five,
that's
6, 7 ticks,
it.
five, six, $700, $500 risk, that's reasonable. You start getting into 1,000 plus, 2,000, $3,000 risks for a trade to maybe
Can't do it.
pay out. Oh man, this is an area right here. What do we got?
All right, we're talking. I need to be trading.
hmm
Catch something on this dump.
I would entertain a long here, Brian, on the NQ
Oh, we just
if
broke
if we get a
yesterday's
setup.
low.
If we get a setup,
You're at a
this is a
level
strong
on the
support area right
NQ.
here.
Um, there
Nope,
is some
this is
support.
freaking short, man. Just gonna put one on and walk away. There it is. Ah, damn it. Come on up a little bit and I'll get short. I'm like,
Yep. Oh, that's about as much as I can stand for a morning. Okay, let me change this to this account. I might try an RTY short breakout here. Find an account that I can trade.
come on up a little bit higher.
Uh,
Nope. There's the long, right? Setting up on that, but oof,
nah.
there's an area too. It's a tough one though.
There's
It's
the
tough to
longs,
tough to
man.
buy this.
I I'm kick the I'm kicking
It's a
myself for
long.
not taking a short below my level. That's where I'm kicking myself on this one. Taking that short below that level, I would have been sitting here like day done. That's a lesson learned on my
There's,
part. Don't do that
I am
crap.
going to try that. I'm long NQ. I am long NQ. Target
I mean,
off.
that's a smart trade. I mean, that's a legitimate
Uh,
setup. It's a good setup on the
Come
ES as
on.
well.
There we go.
I'm gonna look for the short, obviously.
Yeah, that's smart. But I'll just take it up to where you look for your short. How about that?
Maybe
Actually, the
like
short's probably right here.
maybe like right now.
Yeah. I'm not giving this a lot of room. I'm real tight on my stop. If it goes, it goes. If not, I'll reverse short with you. We're holding the 77 area right here, so that's usually a sign that it's going down.
Mm. Well, where do we go to next then?
899 on the NQ.
Oh yeah, I have that marked
That's
off.
that's what I have marked.
I totally have that marked off. Well, go baby. Oh, I should have jumped in that short. And I was on the account I wanted to do it on too. Yeah, okay. Come on, 8.99 then. ES staying down. Whoa. There's some people trying to buy here, huh? Everybody's
It's
talking.
holding.
There's people trying to buy here. I mean
It's
that
holding.
makes a double bottom on the NQ. It doesn't on the ES though. I'm gonna look at this ES. If the ES fails, this NQ is gone too. If the ES fails here, the NQ is gonna go. Let's see. This is a long setup on the ES. If that's a fail, then where do we go down to on the ES then? We to 0. No, we go down to 92, 93 on the ES if that fails there. And it just did. So now you're going down to 93. Should have jumped in that short on that bear flag on the ES. Keep saying shoulda. I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm gonna pick a good trade here in a little bit.
Short Q in this breakout. I got this 8.99 target. See if we can get down there.
Oh, hey, look at you, fancy.
Let's see what
And
happens. Come
fancy
on.
was her name.
Here's your one chance, fancy don't. Oh, what happened? There we go.
If I'm a bad singer, you're worse.
I'm pretty bad.
No shit. Just keep on pushing down there, guys. I don't know what else to say.
I say 8.99. That's what I say.
All right. So if it breaks 927, then maybe get a little short there. I don't know. I'm not gonna go in this late. Let it get down there. I'll get a rally at some point in the trade. I mean, great. I'd love to see you get that.
We'll see. I'm holding.
Fancy was her name.
It's a no-lose situation, so we'll see what happens. In fact, actually, I'm probably would take a small little loss just to keep my stop back. Worth a try. I think.
It looks like a long setting up. I don't think that's.
Yeah, I mean, this is long territory, full disclosure.
I
So,
just don't think that's the case, though.
I
I mean,
mean,
really. All right. So this level down here that you're talking about, because I had 9. What?
I got 8.99, but usually, you and I are usually off about a point.
A couple points.
Yeah.
I'm
So
probably
wherever
just
you
getting
have
lucky
and
on
whatever
that.
I have, whatever you have and whatever I have, it's a zone between those two numbers.
That's usually the case.
Mm-hmm.
That is usually the case. That is usually the case.
Now,
It's
very real
sneaky.
possible bounce here at this 26. So it could happen here.
Oh, I meant 26. Yeah. If we go below 26,
Then that 8.99 comes into play, or 900, whatever you have.
900. Yeah. Whatever. Close enough. I had 905.
Or 905. 905 would definitely get hit.
Close
I
enough.
think that's.
Yeah. Oh, there's your bounce off
Yep.
that. Oh, little tiny bounce. Little tiny. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Little tiny bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. And the euro straight down too. What is
Boom.
somebody bombing the like?
Come on.
Kazakhstan?
Keep
What's going on
going.
here?
Zakistan.
What's going on? Is there any news out there? Are you guys looking at any news? Kazakhstan.
Here we come.
Okay.
Where's my number? Target hit. Now you can bounce away if you
Target
want to.
achieved.
Now you can do whatever you want.
What is going on? Bill Mayer says him and Jimmy Kimmel may never speak again.
Uh-oh. What's wrong? The libs are fighting?
There's a bounce.
Mm-hmm.
And
That's what I
6E
said. You can
just
bounce away now.
dropped. What is going on here?
Hmm.
Okay, this is nuts. I mean, GC. I, I mean, every single thing.
Where you can go
Is the world like coming to an end? Um,
take it again, I think.
Anybody
Right
watching this is
here.
gonna be like, these guys are just sitting on the sidelines and we're making all this money. Like,
Oh, I
we
wish.
freaking get into this. Here's my only mistake: not getting in below the S1, like I said, and below my level. That's the only
Short.
mistake I feel like I've made. Where the hell are you gonna get in this at, Paul? I mean, we had to bear flag it again. How many
Can
times
you
do you
hear
want to take a
me?
bear flag trade and think that it's
Can
gonna
you hear
work?
me?
Huh? I can
Can
hear
you
you.
hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I just lost connection.
Oh yeah. Log it back on your phone. You're done.
Oh, it just came back.
That means
Okay.
it's gonna go out again because somebody's playing
Oh,
football.
and I missed my freaking short. Look at that. I said you can go short right here. Pulled right back up to that 26 for a short. Pretty little short. Pretty little short.
Oh shoot! I should have been looking at that. Lower tick charts now.
Oof.
Everything's tanking.
See ya.
What caused this?
See ya.
Crap. All right, do something, Brian. Or just be patient. What? I mean, if we'd only just gotten back in that MGC trade, man,
Yeah, you're making serious money in that. And
there's $1,000 MGC trade. Switch this back
hmm
to GC. I Everybody that's listening to my voice and Paul's voice, I'm trying to figure out a way to get into this, and I can't just jump in. I'm not that kind of trader. These two spots back here, those were the areas that I told myself I could trade. I mean, below. Well, here's one thing I do know is we are at a level that pretty much below this level.
yeah, it's a rug pull.
Yeah, we are at that level. Um, Golly, man, I don't want to risk this money. Where? What? What's the news? Somebody tell me what's going on that's causing this. Is there anything going on? Give me any kind
Oh
of rally
wow.
here, any kind of rally. Yeah, no, I know, Gunter, but what's causing the sell off? Is there any like news that says there's like a, let's see. The Fed said they're probably going to keep rates higher longer to keep inflation in check. That's what's causing this shit, evidently. I don't know. I don't know. All right. So let's just take a deep breath and think about this for a hot minute. I know it seems like we're not missing out on tons of opportunity. You can Monday morning quarterback the shit out of this all day long. The Fed, I just looked it up. It says the Fed said Fed opened their mouth. I knew it was somebody opening their mouth. There's gonna be a rally. I mean, if the smart trader says there's gonna be a rally, I'm not gonna chase this. I mean, would I like to have jumped in and knocked something out of the park? Yeah. Again, my trades were way higher up. I let Paul talk me out of it. I'm gonna blame Paul since his internet's gone again.
No, I'm here.
Oh shit. Never mind.
I'm here. I'm listening.
Oh man.
I'm just sitting there watching all this crap.
I'm kicking myself. I mean,
I mean, I had a decent day considering internet issues, so
no,
I'm not
I mean,
complaining.
my day's good. I'm just when I have a plan, Paul, and you got to kick me, dude. When I have a plan, 90% of the time it
It's
works.
usually right.
And my plan was, if it broke that level this morning, take a sell stop on a breakout,
Use your bounce.
on a bear
Yeah.
flag, and
What the?
this is just not that not as tradable for me right now. Stay in these trades. Yeah, come on. Who the hell's gonna do this? This is short. I just I will say though, if I don't like doing this, I'm not gonna do it. And every time I say I don't like doing this, below S2, you can put a sell stop in. I mean, there really should
Real
be
late at this
below
point.
S2. This is late. This is late, late, late. I
Very
missed.
late at this point.
Look here. I missed the trade. I missed my trade. Don't chase after missing your trade. That's how a professional does it. Not just you gotta like. I mean, this is the point where you look back and you review. You say, "Don't miss this again. This was your level, Brian." I look. How many times did I do this morning, Paul? And say, if it
Yeah.
breaks this level, I'm gonna short it. If it breaks this level, I'm gonna short it. How many times did I do that? Right? I look back on this chart. What,
You did not
15,
follow your
10 times
rules.
this morning? What would
We're
a
always the
rule? It was
ones
just
talking
my
about
plan for
following
the morning.
or your plan, rule plan.
Uh, Sure does look like it's going down.
Meet me in the club. Going down.
It's going down. All right,
Anywhere
I'm
you
gonna look
meet
at the
me.
next rally on a small tick chart. I'll sell. Go. Give me a rally. Something. Give me a rally or something. All right, maybe we get a little bit of something. I'm gonna look at the small tick chart here. I'll try to do it maybe on the ES with one of these accounts that only have. Um, I mean, the crazy thing is the ATRs haven't crept up super high. I mean, I would have expected a much higher ATR. That's a. I'm gonna have to take a break because of this.
It's tough to watch this thing go without you. It's very tough.
It's gonna, yeah. This is absolutely asinine. For face of 10. Wait, that goes the other way around.
Mm.
You hear
Gonna
what I
bounce
said?
somewhere down here. What's that? I didn't hear that last part.
I said this is asinine. I said better face of
Asinine.
10.
But uh, butterface. Kind of got a butterface.
All right. Golly, Paul, why didn't I take that short when I was supposed to?
Look, just put your freaking short on.
Just press this freaking sell button and throw your stop at
That's
600 feet
right.
back. Ah, fudge.
In fact, just put a short on with no stop. 10 micros, no stop. 10 minis, no stop. On gold. And gold's huge. Whew. Somebody would have caught that. That'd be month over.
You pass this
Heavy. Wait, I
account
want to know what's
with
going on.
the
What's
account.
happening? What did they say? What happened?
Fed, I
Why
looked
is
up.
this
It
thing?
said
Why
that
is
the
it dumping?
Fed. It said the Fed. It said the Fed said that they weren't going to reduce interest rates because the jobs are good. Jobs are good.
There's good jobs. We're doing a good job.
Yeah, they're doing a great job.
I just want my stimulus check. Give me one.
Stimulus check.
I heard Trump say he's going to give everybody like $2,000. Let's do it.
All right,
If I
now I'll
get
tell
that
you
check
what. You
going
got a little
straight in my
GC
account.
rally. Hold on, we'll get a rally here. We got a little GC rally. I could look at that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right.
I might be interested in looking at a sell stop below here. Because again, on this daily chart on the NQ, there's not really anything holding it up. I mean, there's a little bit back there.
But you're looking at a GC rally? You're looking at a GC short?
Uh-huh. Like,
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm looking too.
all right, here's my NQ. We hit it. Okay, there's a little bit of level down here. Maybe we get a little bit of rally. Maybe. And then we hit
I've got nothing down here. Oh, you know what I could do though?
2.5. On the 5th, we had this low back here, maybe. Um, Okay, all right, all right. We might be getting a little rally on the lower tick charts.
We're definitely getting a
Oh,
rally.
now they're gonna push it all the way back up. That'd be freaking
Nah,
awesome. Oh,
no,
all
I
right.
think we.
So let's buy the let's sell the next rally, and then buy the next pullback. That seems
I'll
like
tell you what.
a
If the NQ gets up to 78.77,
this
I'll
seems
short
like
it.
this is short here
On what?
on the
On
ES.
GCES?
Yeah, but now you have to. They're gonna push it back up. This
Mm,
is
I think
stupid.
they're gonna
See,
push it
I
up. Yeah.
no, I'm not doing this. Not gonna freaking do it. That's dumb. No, this is so dumb. You missed the freaking thing. Don't chase it. It's the third time I've done a rookie ass mistake this morning. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Not giving my freaking money back. You can't have it, market. I'm not freaking doing that shit. No. No, this is too volatile. Now you've found a bottom. If the big tick chart says yes, then maybe we do it. Like right here. This might
Big
be.
tick chart setting up.
This.
I don't like the wicks on the. Well, I like the NQ though. I wanted it a little higher. I wanted it up around that 78,
Yeah, they're gonna
77
push this
area.
shit back up. This is dumb. No, I'm not straight. No, nope, 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 nope. No, we missed our chance. We missed our freaking chance. This is stupid. Not doing it. Let's take a break.
Okay.
This is dumb. This is dumb. This is just fucking stupid. I'm not even upset about cussing there. This is stupid, stupid, stupid. I'm not freaking doing this. We missed the shorts that we should have taken, right, Paul?
Right.
Why the hell are we trying to do it now? When we know we are probably looking at a bottom. No, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. That's dumb. I just gave back $250. Not doing it. Oh, that pissed me off. Not. I just gave back $250. I can't do that. Let's just take a break. Hey,
Okay.
I'm killing the freaking stream. I'm not doing this. This is dumb. See if there's anybody watching. Anybody watching? Watching me sit on sidelines for for not taking those stupid shorts. Ah, stick to your plan. Stick to my plan. All right. Boss, it's break time.